In our previous video, we posed a tricky question. Which symptom may be an early sign of breast cancer in older women? And the correct answer is a painless, firm, and fixed lump in the breast can signal early breast cancer. Postmenopausal women should continue screening as risk increases with age. A handful of nuts a day can be nature's medicine for your heart, brain, and longevity. But some nuts, even the ones labeled healthy, can trigger digestion problems, spike blood sugar, or harm memory if eaten the wrong way. Today, let's explore 35 quiz questions on which nuts to eat and which to avoid. Are you ready? Let's begin now. Which nut has been shown to benefit heart health in older adults? Pistachios are rich in monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol. A Penn State study found that eating 30-50 grams daily can improve heart health. Which seed is rich in magnesium, helping prevent osteoporosis in older adults? Pumpkin seeds are naturally high in magnesium, which supports bone strength and osteoporosis prevention. Just 30 grams roasted provides up to 37% of daily magnesium needs. Which seed is high in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, great for senior brain health? Can you guess it? Leave your answer in the comments, we'll reveal it in the next video. Which seed is high in calcium and recommended for seniors to prevent osteoporosis? White sesame seeds provide around 90 mg of calcium per tablespoon, along with magnesium and zinc, essential for maintaining bone density in older adults. Which nut helps regulate blood sugar and is suitable for older adults with diabetes? Walnuts contain unsaturated fats and protein, which don't spike blood sugar. Studies show seniors who eat walnuts have a 47% lower risk of developing diabetes. Which nut enhances memory and brain function in older adults? Walnuts are known as the brain nut due to their high content of omega, 3-second, vitamin E, and polyphenols, which support memory and slow cognitive decline. Which nut may support sleep in older adults thanks to its natural melatonin content? Walnuts contain small amounts of natural melatonin, the sleep-regulating hormone. Studies show that eating 2-3 walnuts before bed may help improve sleep quality in seniors. Which nut is rich in antioxidants and may reduce joint inflammation in seniors? Pistachios are high in polyphenols and carotenoids, which can reduce inflammation and support joint health. Regular intake may lower CRP, a key inflammation marker. What is the best time for seniors to eat nuts for optimal absorption and energy? Eating nuts in the morning allows better absorption of healthy fats, proteins, and minerals, and provides steady energy throughout the day. What's the best way for seniors to combine nuts for optimal nutrient absorption? Pairing nuts with vitamin C-rich produce enhances absorption of iron, magnesium, and zinc. Fiber from fruits and veggies also helps digestion. Which organization recommends that older adults eat a handful of nuts daily for heart health? The AHA recommends that adults, especially seniors, eat 1 handful of unsalted nuts daily to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrition. Which nut may cause indigestion and is not recommended for older adults with sensitive digestion. Raw almonds have a tough outer skin and high insoluble fiber, which can cause bloating or indigestion. Older adults with weak digestion should soak or lightly roast them first. Which nut is known to cause severe allergic reactions, especially in older adults with weakened immunity? Cashews are among the tree nuts most likely to trigger allergies, including anaphylaxis. Seniors with weakened immunity should be cautious, especially if never consumed them before. Which seed can cause constipation or blockage if consumed without enough water? Chia seeds absorb up to 10–12 times their volume in water. If eaten dry without fluids, they may cause blockage or constipation, particularly risky for older adults. Which nut, while nutritious, can lead to weight gain if eaten excessively? Macadamia nuts are very calorie-dense, about 200 kilocalorie per 28 gram. Even though they contain healthy fats, overeating them may cause unnoticed weight gain in seniors. Which of the following seeds is high in plant-based protein, excellent for maintaining muscle mass in older adults? Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of plant-based protein, essential for maintaining and repairing muscles, particularly important for combating sarcopenia, muscle loss, in older adults. Which seed can help improve vision and protect eyes from macular degeneration in seniors due to its richness in zinc and vitamin E? Sunflower seeds contain a high amount of zinc and vitamin E, crucial nutrients that help protect eyes from oxidative damage and support overall visual health, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Which nut is rich in the antioxidant selenium, supporting thyroid function and the immune system in older adults? Brazil nuts are one of the richest sources of selenium, an essential trace mineral that supports healthy thyroid function and boosts the immune system, which is vital for seniors. Which of the following nuts can be difficult to chew and pose a choking hazard for older adults with dental issues or swallowing difficulties? Dry roasted soybeans are typically very hard and crunchy, which can be challenging to chew and increase the risk of choking for older adults, especially if they have weak teeth or difficulty swallowing. Which nut contains high levels of arginine, an amino acid beneficial for blood vessel health and blood pressure in older adults? Pine nuts are a rich source of arginine, an amino acid that can dilate blood vessels, helping to improve blood circulation and potentially aid in blood pressure control in older adults. Which seed can cause bloating and digestive discomfort if consumed in excess due to its high fiber content? Chia seeds, flax seeds, and sesame seeds are all very rich in fiber. While fiber is good for digestion, consuming too much without adequate water intake can lead to bloating, gas, or constipation in older adults, especially those with sensitive digestive systems. Which nut is considered a superfood for older adults' gut health due to its prebiotic soluble fiber? Almonds, particularly their skin, contain prebiotic fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, supporting digestive health and boosting immunity in older adults. Which of the following nuts provides vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health in older adults. Pine nuts contain a significant amount of vitamin K, an essential vitamin for normal blood clotting and playing a crucial role in maintaining bone health, helping older adults prevent osteoporosis and fractures. Which nut provides a significant amount of copper, an essential mineral for collagen and elastin formation, beneficial for skin and joints in older adults. Cashews are a rich source of copper, an important mineral that helps the body produce collagen and elastin, two essential proteins that maintain skin elasticity, blood vessel health, and joint health in older adults. Which is the best nut choice for seniors aiming to manage their weight? Walnuts contain healthy fats that promote satiety without spiking blood sugar. When unsweetened and unsalted, they're an ideal option for weight control in older adults. Which nut or seed should seniors with kidney disease avoid due to high phosphorus and potassium? Sunflower seeds are very high in potassium and phosphorus, which is risky for those with reduced kidney function. Excess intake can cause mineral buildup and damage. Which seed may interact with blood thinners like warfarin? Flax seeds contain omega-3 and lignans, which may increase bleeding risk when taken with blood thinners like warfarin. Seniors should consult a doctor before regular use. Which nut is high in sodium and saturated fat and should be limited by seniors with hypertension? Salted cashews contain high sodium, increasing the risk of high blood pressure and fluid retention, especially risky for seniors with heart conditions. Which nut is prone to aflatoxin contamination, a toxin that may cause liver cancer if stored improperly? Peanuts, when stored in moist conditions, can be contaminated with aflatoxin, a toxin from Aspergillus fungi that can lead to liver cancer. Seniors with liver issues are at higher risk. Which of the following seeds should be limited by older adults taking antidepressants due to potential interactions? Nutmeg, though not a common snack nut, can contain compounds that may interact with certain medications, including antidepressants, if consumed in large quantities, leading to undesirable side effects in older adults. To optimize nutrient absorption from nuts, which processed nut option should older adults choose? Soaking or sprouting nuts helps reduce anti-nutrients like phytic acid, significantly improving the absorption of minerals such as zinc, iron, and magnesium found in nuts, which is particularly beneficial for the delicate digestive systems of older adults. Which seed should be avoided raw due to high enzyme inhibitors and phytic acid content, causing indigestion? Raw soybeans contain enzyme inhibitors and high levels of phytic acid, which can cause indigestion and hinder nutrient absorption. Older adults should consume cooked or processed soybeans for better safety and digestibility. Older adults with gout should limit which nut due to its relatively high purine content? While not extremely high in purines, peanuts and peanut butter contain moderate levels of purines. Older adults with gout should limit excessive consumption to avoid increasing uric acid levels in the blood and triggering gout attack. What is the best way to store nuts to prevent mold and nutrient loss, especially important for older adults. Storing nuts in an airtight container in a cool, dry place or in the refrigerator helps prevent the growth of mold, especially aflatoxin, and keeps healthy fats from becoming rancid, ensuring safety and nutritional value for older adults. Which nut can help reduce the risk of stroke in older adults due to its high monounsaturated fat content? Macadamia nuts contain a very high content of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which has been shown to benefit heart health and may help reduce the risk of stroke in older adults. Congratulations, you've completed the quiz. Here are your results. What's your level? Drop it in the comments below. Healthy aging doesn't come from big actions. It comes from small choices done daily. Let's grow older with more health and more wisdom. See you in the next video.